Hi everyone, I'm Peter Garnace and welcome to UTrade Rundown. This week, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index traded sideways with a downward bias, slipping by 1.6% week on week to close at 5,999 points. Average value turnover stood at 6.3 billion with net foreign selling of 4.6 billion pesos as investors remain cautious amid the lingering geopolitical uncertainty in the Middle East. Sentiment was weighed down by the fragile US-Iran ceasefire and the lack of progress in initial peace talks, keeping oil price risks elevated and reinforcing the Philippines' vulnerability as a net oil importer. Sustained increases in energy prices could feed through to higher inflation, peso weakness, and tighter financial conditions, prompting investors to stay on the sidelines. Looking ahead, attention is shifting toward the BSP policy meeting on April 23 next week, which could serve as the next key catalyst. A potential rate hike may weigh on equities in the near term, as higher interest rates typically dampen liquidity and risk appetite. The BSP has signaled that it retains room for further policy tightening, supported by national government's planned catch-up spending, which could help cushion growth amid the ongoing energy shock. In the near term, investors are expected to closely monitor movements of global oil as well as local pump prices, as protracted volatility could reinforce inflationary pressures and further complicate the policy outlook. For now, the market remains in a wait-and-see mode, with direction likely to stay headline-driven, particularly around oil prices, monetary policy, and geopolitical developments. And that's it for this week's UTrade Rundown. For regular market updates, open a UTrade account today.